Hello friends, welcome back. In this session we're going to clean up our projects and tasks so that we can have a fresh start. So let's dive into it straight away. So we shall go to projects, and what we shall do is to basically select all and delete. So also we shall come back and go to tasks. So you're going to notice something. When I come to tasks, none of the tasks actually has an assigned project because all the projects have been wiped away. Okay, so we are also going to do the same, select all and delete. So these ones, select all and delete. So now we have a fresh start. Whether one NGO or an agency or whatever the case, you will have different projects. So you can be able to add them here, and for each of the projects, you may be able to assign different tasks. Now also you may have a project that is part of a big project. Let me give you a scenario. Today I have a project of supporting small businesses and organizations digitize and embrace data. Under that project you have sub-projects. So one of the projects is market research and monitoring. So the other is developing and refining of training material. The third project is capacity building, training and support. These are the three projects that make up the big project. Under each of these projects we have different tasks. Now he's the project manager and the dates. So you can say market research, the dates are December 2024 from 12, include end date. It will be a 1-year project. 2025, this will be November. For developing and refining of training content, this should take us 3 months. So end date will be March 12, 2025. So that will be the end date. And now capacity building and training, this should start from the 3rd of March until October. So priority for this project, this is very high priority, this is medium, and this is low priority at the moment, but the priority can keep changing. Now under blocked by, let me give you a scenario. Before we develop and refine the training material and also do the capacity building and training, we need to do market research. So this means that market research is a blocker when it comes to developing of training material as well as the actual capacity building and training. But also before we do the capacity building and training, we need the training material because it is what we use in the actual training. So also developing of training material will be a blocker to this. So when I open this project, I am able to see that it is blocked by market research as well as developing and refining of training material. Still, when you open this project, you can see if there are existing tasks, you can attach a task here. However, you can also add tasks from here. So though the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to be adding tasks from the tasks page. So you come to task, now you can add a task. The first task is the initiation meeting. Created by that, same person is the reviewer, the assignee, all the members of the team, due date, Friday, priority, very high, tags, in case you have any, maybe improvement, but you can have your own tags. The project, this is going to be for all the 3 projects. Alright, in fact you can remove that to keep organization. Now completion, that will be done later on. So in the future, once we create any meetings, let's say you do any meetings, you can be able to add that meeting here. Alright, so that is how this works. So when you come back to your projects, you can see this one has 0%, but also there is a task here. Okay, so that is how it works. So some of you may be wondering, okay, now I have to move from projects and now I go to tasks and so on. Don't worry, in the next video we are going to look at how we can be able to ease the navigation from projects to tasks, actually the entire navigation. So thank you so much. Let's meet up in the next session.